Hello YouTube, this is Phoenix Down 87 and welcome back. Today we are doing another hobby box break and we are going to be breaking another box of the Topps 2018 Women's Division. I had a lot of success with the last box and my local card store did have one box remaining of this, so I decided why not try it out with the last one, see if this one's gonna give me similar success. I am still waiting for my Nikki Bella autograph that came in the redemption, but once that does come, I will post that as well. Hopefully this box does not have redemption and actually has the autograph. This box does give 2 hits per box guaranteed. One of those hits is guaranteed to be an autograph. I was going to do a Road to WrestleMania as that is the newest box, but every break I have seen so far is not great. Most of them usually do come with an Andre Giant Battle Royal commemorative medallion, which is not good. And I'd rather not spend the money on something where one of my hits is probably not going to be that much of a hit. So let's dig into this box and see if we have some luck. Okay. Let me just get these out. Now, these boxes do come with, let's see how many cards. It is 7 cards per pack, and I believe 24 packs. Yep, 24 packs, 4 cards per pack. So you do get a decent return. And then, like I said, guaranteed 2 hits per box. So let's get breaking and see what we get. Alright, so we're going to do this pack first. We have Tamina, Shayna Baszler NXT card, Ruby Riott with her crazy hairstyle, Kairi Sane defeats Bianca Belair, Sasha Banks defeats Bayley, Naomi wins 6-pack challenge and the mixed match challenge, which is the Road Warriors. Naomi wins SmackDown title. Lacey Evans, Billie Kay rookie card, Ruby Riott rookie card, Charlie Caruso, Tamina Royal Rumble, and Road Warriors defeat Apollo Crews and Nia Jax. Asuka rookie card, Lita, Becky Lynch beats Mickie James, Bayley beats Charlotte, Bianca Belair wins first round match, Bianca Belair defeats Aaliyah, and Team Asuka defeats Becky and Carmella. Asuka defeats Peyton Royce. Sasha Banks defeats Nia Jax. John Cena and Nikki Bella win. Kathy Kelly. Liv Morgan, rookie card. Trish Stratus in the Royal Rumble. And Bobby Roode and Charlotte Flair. Sonya Deville, rookie card. Peyton Royce, rookie card. Sarah Logan makes debut. Lacey Evans wins first round match. Kairi Sane wins the Mae Young Classic. Alexa Bliss and Mickie James move to Raw. And Mixed Challenge. And the last pack of this first stack is Asuka beats Ruby Riott and Nikki Cross. Trish Stratus. Zelina Vega, rookie card. Ember Moon, rookie card. Nikki Bella. Sonya Deville in the Royal Rumble. And Mixed Challenge. So nothing big yet. Dasha Fuentes, Becky Lynch, The Man, Mickie James, Natalya, Dakota Kai, first NXT card, Tanya Conti, and Mixed Challenge. Asuka crashes NXT #1 Battle Royal. Kairi Sane wins first round match. Asuka relinquishes women's title. Bayley and Sasha defeat Charlotte and Nia. Mickie James beats Alexa Bliss. Mandy Rose, Royal Rumble, and Boss Club beats Nakamura and Natalya. All right. Ember Moon beats Liv Morgan. Alundra okay, so we have our first hit in here. Sasha Banks beats Finn Balor, or Sasha Banks and Finn Balor. And our hit is a matte relic of Kairi Sane. That's pretty neat. Let's see. You now own an authentic Royal Rumble 2018 event used matte relic. So this is the actual mat from Royal Rumble. Kairi Sane. Just get a little sleeve for this. Alright, so put this in the sleeve. So this is a nice hit, numbered 95 of 199. And our next hit will be the autograph. But for right now, we'll put that there. Hopefully, if it's not another redemption. And I'm hoping it's not. Bianca Belair, Maurice, Lana, Carmella, Nikki Cross, Carmella in the Royal Rumble, and Team Asuka beats Team Little Big. Asuka beats Ember Moon. Dakota Kai. Shayna Baszler wins. Raw Women's Champion Charlotte Flair beats Bayley. Team Glowish defeat Team Rose Gold. And the last card in the second stack is, last pack rather, in the second stack is Asuka beats Billie Kay. Vanessa Bourne. Aaliyah. Sarah Logan rookie card. Renee Young. Becky Lynch in the Royal Rumble. And Bayley and Elias. Liv Morgan rookie card. I think we already got. Yeah, we are definitely cycling back. We got those three already. Sasha Banks in the Royal Rumble. So yeah, that's one of the downsides of these boxes, is that you do get duplicates, and it is common to get duplicates. Thanks on Charlotte. Kairi Sane wins semifinal match. Wendy Richter. Asuka defeats Ember Moon. Alexa Bliss. Naomi. And Lana and Rusev. Tamina again. Shayna Baszler again. Ruby Riott in her crazy hairstyle again. Okay. Lana in the Royal Rumble. Okay, so that seems like it's almost exact same cards in that pack from our first pack. Okay, Naomi wins 6-pack challenge. Naomi beats Alexa Bliss. Lacey Evans. Billie Kay rookie card. Ruby Riott rookie card. Oh, okay, so there's our autograph. It is a green parallel, it looks like. Dakota Kai, if I could just get in there. It is on the sticker, but... And it is numbered 10 out of 150, so that's pretty good. That is a decent one. Just get ourselves something to put that in. Okay. Once again, first NXT card, and it is an autograph, Dakota Kai. It is green. I'm not sure if that's a parallel or not, but that's a pretty good hit. Charlie Caruso. Asuka rookie card. Lita. Becky Lynch beats Nikki James. Ember Moon Royal Rumble, and Big E and Carmella. See, they kind of tricked me. They made everything, the same. Every card in the pack the same. Going through it fast. Almost missed the autograph. Bianca Belair. Asuka beats Peyton Royce. Sasha Banks beats Nia Jax. John Cena and Nikki Bella. Kathy Kelly. And Mandy Rose and Goldust. Last stack. Wondering if maybe they'll throw another head in here. Charlotte, Bailey, NXT Women's Championship Triple Threat, Candice LeRae. We have something. Kairi Sane defeats Dakota Kai. We have a blue parallel here. Shayna Baszler wins her second round match. What is the numbering on this? Okay, so this is a 15 to 25. So this is a nice parallel. Get something for this. Alright, so we put this in a little sleeve. It is a nice blue parallel, once again, 15 to 25. Put that over there. So that's a nice little addition as well. Got a silver last pack, so got a blue this one. Okay, so Nia Jax beats Bailey. Alexa Bliss beats Becky Lynch. Charlotte beats Naomi. Shayna Baszler wins first round. Kayla Braxton. Brie Bella. Royal Rumble. And Ravishing Rusev Day beats Elias and Bailey. Down to 4 packs. Hoping for something else. Stephanie McMahon. Ronda Rousey rookie card. JoJo. Alicia Fox. Asuka Nia Jax. Dakota Kai wins second round match. And Alexa Bliss and Braun. 3 packs left. Shayna Baszler wins semifinal match. Naomi relinquishes title. Charlotte Flair and Tamina move to SmackDown. Kairi Sane. Sasha Banks. Nia Jax Royal Rumble. Team Little Glow defeat Glowish. Little Big rather defeat Glowish. Pick this pack up. Second to last pack. Oops. Nia Jax. Mandy Rose. Brie Bella. Candice LeRae first NXT card. Ember Moon defeats Ruby Riott. Candice LeRae wins second round match. And Jimmy Uso and Naomi. Last pack. Wondering if maybe they'll throw in another hit. Doubtful, but let's see. Bailey beats Charlotte. Dana Brooke. Maria Kanellis. Vanessa Bourne wins qualifying match. Shayna Baszler beats Candice LeRae. Kairi Sane. And Mixed Match Challenge, Nia Jax and Apollo Crews. So that is this second box opening of the 2018 Women's Division Hobby Box. Once again, we did get the Kairi Sane matte relic, the auto of Dakota Kai, and the blue variant of Shayna Baszler winning second round match. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see next. If you got any good hits out of this, let me know. I will be posting to Twitter as well as trying to get the Instagram going, although I'm pretty bad with that. And I will be back next week with another box break. Until then, I do thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.